Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Surface Pro step by step clearly. Start by unboxing your Surface Pro. Carefully remove the device and accessories from the packaging. Locate the power adapter and connect it to the device. Plug the power adapter into an electrical outlet. Press the power button on your Surface Pro to turn it on. Wait for the Surface logo to appear on the screen. Select your preferred language and region when prompted. Connect to your Wi-Fi network by choosing your network from the list. Enter your Wi-Fi password and click Connect. Sign in with a Microsoft account or create a new one if necessary. Follow the on-screen prompts to configure Windows settings. Decide whether to enable Cortana, Microsoft's virtual assistant. Choose your privacy settings according to your preferences. Allow the device to check for updates and install them if available. Select your personalization options such as background and themes. Once setup is complete, you'll be taken to the Windows desktop. Place your Surface Pro on a flat surface for optimal usage. Consider attaching the keyboard for a more traditional laptop experience. Explore the pre-installed apps to familiarize yourself with the interface. You are now ready to start using your Surface Pro. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.